Hi, today we'll talk about the stock market. A lot of you would have probably heard about generating passive income through the stock markets. So let's get right into it. So, what exactly is the stock market? To understand this, let's just consider the stock market as a place where you can buy and sell company shares. And it's not just the stocks, you can also buy and sell commodities like gold, silver, aluminum, and even option contracts on the stock exchange. Imagine a supermarket in which there are different varieties of products. A vendor can sell these products and the consumer can buy these particular products. In this supermarket, there are going to be a lot of different products that the buyer can choose from. Similarly, the stock market is nothing but a stock supermarket. A stock supermarket in the sense you can buy and sell different stocks. The different products that there are the different companies that there are enlisted in the stock exchange. The different products in the supermarket, like fruits and vegetables, are nothing but the different companies selling their shares in the stock exchange. But a question that arises is, why do companies actually enlist themselves in the stock market? Companies who want to expand further, they would require investment to expand their business. For this, they can approach different investors or get a loan from a bank, or they can enlist themselves in the stock market. By enlisting the company in the stock market, the general public can invest into these particular companies. When more people invest money into this particular company, then the price of the company share also goes up. In this way, money is raised for their expansion purposes as well. Earlier, if a person wanted to invest in a particular company, they would have to go to the stock exchange themselves and buy into a particular stock. Or they could approach a stockbroker to do this process for them. But now, all of this process can be done electronically with the help of a stockbrokering platform. All you require for this process is just a trading account or a Demat account. There are many stockbrokers out there to open your Demat account or trading account, but the recommended ones would be Zerodha, Upstocks, 5paisa, Angel Broking, etc. Now these guys are discount brokers, meaning they charge the least brokerage compared to the other stockbrokers. If you wish to know more about what a Demat account is and what stockbrokers are, you can just refer to the very next video.